to TechBridge Innovations. In this video, we are going to learn how to find out YTM of a bond or yield of a bond using the rate functions. In previous video, we learned how to find out using the IRR formula, and that IRR formula is not specifically built for bonds. That is just the internal rate of return, the required rate of return calculated using for any cash flows. That is not related to only bonds. That can be any cash flows. But this rate function is specifically made for the purpose of finding out the uh, YTM of a bond. So the formula is very simple. You just write rate, and then everything is very clear. So that is n per, that means number of periods. So number of periods in this case is 10, and be careful, you should multiply that by interest PMTs per year. So since it is yearly payment, so you don't need to multiply that anything, but you can multiply that by 1 here, so that if the user is changing the frequency, you can change that. And then PMT is the payment per year you are getting or per period you are getting. And then PV means the price of the bond. So price of the bond is current value, it's here, and the sign must be negative because you are paying that value. And FV is the future value or the face value of the bond, that is 1000, and it should be positive, means future value and present value must have the opposite sign. And then the type, so it's end of the period payment, and that's it. So you get 8.77%. So if you notice, this is exactly the same bond that we calculated in IRR sheet. So we are getting the same value, 8.77 and 8.77 here. So this is how you calculate the YTM of a bond using the rate formula. So that's it for the rate thing. And then in the next videos, we are going to learn how to find out the duration of a bond. So see you in next video.